If your DaVinci Resolve is crashing, lagging, or acting weird, do me a favor right now, hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Seriously, click it. Because by the end of this video, your software will run like it's brand new. Most people uninstall and reinstall the whole program when this happens, wasting hours of their time. But there is a hidden reset trick that takes less than 30 seconds. Watch until the end because the last step fixes 90% of all problems. Let's go. Open DaVinci Resolve. Once it loads, look at the top left corner of your screen and click the DaVinci Resolve menu. Keep watching. The next click is where most people give up and close the software. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences to open the Settings window. Important: do not click anything else inside this window yet. One wrong click can make things worse. Just follow me exactly. You will see several tabs at the top. Make sure you are on the System tab. Then look in the top right corner of the same window for 3 dots or a small menu icon. Click that icon. Here is the secret that will make you subscribe right now. From the dropdown, select Reset System Preferences. This clears all system-wide settings that are causing crashes. Most people never find this button. Now switch to the User tab at the top of the Preferences window. This step is very important because the user settings store your personal layout and saved configurations, and they can get corrupted just like system settings. Click the same menu icon in the top right corner again. This time, select Reset User Preferences. This restores your personal settings to default. Final step. Close the Preferences window and restart DaVinci Resolve. Your software is now fully reset. No reinstall needed, no lost projects, no wasted hours. Now here's what I want you to do. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell, and comment the word reset below so I know this worked for you. In the next video, I will show you how to recover corrupted DaVinci Resolve projects in under 2 minutes. You do not want to miss that. Subscribe now.